So today we are going to take our 16th chapter, that is The Greedy Cobra and the King of Frogs. This is a folk tale. The given story is a folk tale and an animal fable. In an animal fable, all the characters of the story are animals. But just like a folk tale, it has a moral lesson to teach. So let's read the story. A big well was the home of Gangadatta, the king of frogs. Even though he was a king, nobody used to listen to him, and they would constantly make fun of him. Unable to bear this harassment, मतलब ये बेइज्जती, harassment means बेइज्जती होना, by his relatives, the king abandoned his kingdom and came out of the well. उसने क्या किया? अपने kingdom को छोड़ दिया and came out of the well. Deeply sad and lost in thoughts, the frog king saw a big cobra entering the burrow of a tree. What is burrow of a tree? Burrow means hole type. A thought came to his mind at once. We must set an enemy to fight another enemy. वो सोचते हैं कि हमें क्या है, एक एनिमी से लड़ने के लिए एक एनिमी चाहिए. Set a strong person to crush another strong person. The end of at least one of them is certain. That means इसमें एक ना एक का अंत तो होगा. With this aim in view, he went to the burrow and called the cobra. Priyadarshana, please come out. Disinterested, the cobra shouted from inside. Who are you, sir? I am Gangadatta, the king of frogs. I have come to seek your help to avenge my humiliation, replied the caller. एवेंज ह्यूमिलेशन का मतलब यहाँ हो गया कि वह अपनी भरपाई करना चाहता है अपनी ह्यूमिलेशन के. ह्यूमिलेशन मतलब एक तरह से जो बेइज्जती उसकी हुई है उसको पूरा करना चाहता है. Who humiliated you? किसने आपको ऐसा किया? Asked the cobra. It is my relatives, replied the king of frogs. Where do you live? Is it a well, a pond or a tank? It is a well with stone walls. एक वेल है जिसके आसपास स्टोन की वॉल्स है. But I have no legs. How can I reach the well and kill your enemies? Sir, please don't say no. I will show you how to enter the well. There is a crevice. Crevice क्या होता है बच्चों? एक छोटी सी ओपनिंग होती है जो वॉल के अंदर होती है या किसी रॉक के अंदर होती है. किसी की जगह एक छोटी सी ओपनिंग in the wall that opens into the well. It's a nice hiding place for you. Come, I will show you, said Gangadatta, the king of frogs. उसने कहा. The cobra then thought, I have become old. I rarely get a frog to eat. मैं बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ और मुझे मुश्किल से ही कोई फ्रॉग मिलता है खाने के लिए. This fellow has come to give me a new lease of life. I will go with him and have a daily feast of frogs. तो वो सोचता है कि मैं इसके साथ मेरे को मौका मिला है तो मैं रोज जाके इनके साथ अपनी फीस लूंगा, मतलब खाना मिलेगा उसको. The cobra then emerged from its burrow and accompanied the king of frogs to the well. उसके साथ चला गया. The frog king showed him the way to enter the well and also his relatives whom he wanted to be killed. The cobra happily settled in the crevice. वहाँ आराम से चुपचाप सेटल हो गया उस ओपनिंग में. And just in a course of time finished all those frogs that the king had appointed for extermination. Extermination मतलब होता है completely पूरी तरह destroy करना. Now having no frogs to eat, the cobra told the king, I have destroyed all your enemies. Now show me a prey for food. It is you who brought me here. चलो अब मुझे खाने के लिए शिकार दो क्योंकि तुम्हें मुझे यहाँ लाए हो. Gangadatta told him, you have done your job to help me. Now it is time for you to leave this place. तुमने मेरा काम कर दिया, अब तुम यहाँ से जाओ. How can I leave? Protested the cobra. He added. उसने उसके विरुद्ध खड़े होकर बोला कि अब ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हैं. I have helped you by killing all the frogs who humiliated you. Now you must help me too and bring me food. I will not go. I will stay here only. You offer me one frog every day from your circle of relatives. अब आप मुझे डेली एक फ्रॉग देंगे खाने के लिए अपने रिलेटिव में से. तो रिलेटिव सारे उसी के हैं वहाँ पे. गंगादत्ता गॉट अपसेट बट अग्रीड इन द एंड. उसे गुस्सा तो बहुत आया, अपसेट हो गया, बट एंड में वो अग्री कर गया. Accordingly, the king of frogs began offering the cobra one frog a day. As the days passed, the cobra finished off the entire tribe of frogs. जैसे जैसे दिन खत्म होते चले गए सारे फ्रॉग्स धीरे धीरे जाने खत्म होने लगे, with the exception of King Gangadatta. So finally he asked Gangadatta, Now finally, look my friend, there is no frog left for me to eat. I am very hungry. अब कोई नहीं बचा, अब मुझे भूख लगी है. Show me where and how can I sate my hunger. अब मैं अपने हंगर को अपने संतुष्टि करने के लिए मतलब मैं क्या करूं, मुझे अब तुम बताओ कि मैं अपनी हंगर जो है उसको सेट करने के लिए, उसको पूरी तरह से संतुष्ट करने के लिए क्या करूं. द किंग रिप्लाइड, प्रियदर्शना, डोंट वरी अबाउट फूड as long as I am your friend. You get me out of this well. I will go and look for wells full of frogs. Okay. I will tempt them to come here and you can have your fill. The cobra said, you are like a brother to me, Gangadatta. I will get you out of here. ठीक है, मैं तुम्हें यहाँ से बाहर निकालूंगा. Thus the king came out of the well and disappeared. The cobra was eagerly waiting for the king to bring him food. Now अब क्या हुआ, अब वो उसकी वेट कर रहा है कि वो उसके लिए खाने के लिए लाएगा. When Gangadatta failed to turn up even after a long time, the cobra sought the help of a chameleon to find him. अब जो उसका फ्रेंड बन गया chameleon, carried the message of cobra to the king of frogs and told him, your friend Priyadarshana is eagerly looking for you to return. Gangadatta told him, excuse me sir, who can trust a hungry man? If I return, he will surely eat me up. यू मे प्लीज़ गो. वो कहता है कि भाई मैं अब किसी को ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकता. क्या एक भूखे आदमी के ऊपर ट्रस्ट किया जा सकता है? वो तो सीधा मेरी वेट कर रहा है कि कब मैं वापस आऊँ और वो मुझे खा जाए. एंड दस द किंग ऑफ फ्रॉग सेव्ड हिज लाइफ फ्रॉम द ग्रीडी कोबरा. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस वॉज द स्टोरी वेयर किंग कोबरा वॉज रियली वेरी हंग्री and he wanted that frog to be eaten. So this is the end of the story. Thank you for watching the video.